Now if you can see, we got these little orange things. These things, just turn it, I think. Last one's just turn. Oh, turn it, and it comes right on off. And as you can see, you know, this little thing, the mechanism that closes and opens. Alright. Now you gotta take your SATA cable. SATA cable looks like this. Your IDE cables will actually be much thicker. See, this is pretty thin. Your IDE cables will be very, very thin, or very, very thick, and they'll most likely be up here in the motherboard, and they're, you know, like that big. So now we just gotta tip this thing over. And plug it in. Now see, you also got two different kinds of ports here. You gotta make sure you get a power port that is also SATA. See, that's the SATA port. I'm waiting for the camera to focus here. That's the SATA port. And now this one's pretty much your standard one for. This one's pretty much your standard one for like fans and that. On the SATA cable, you have like two different ends here. Waiting for this to focus. So you have the bent end, which is that one. And you have the other end, which is this one. So see, this one's straight and the other one's kind of bent. So I'm trying to figure. Now, if you can see, there's two SATA ports right there, and this is one of them. So we're just gonna plug it in. I don't like the way this thing goes around though, but I think it'll work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and yeah, see you guys.